Look at this mess. We're going to spend the time right now to clean this mess up. Stay tuned. We go. Are you going to help me with the wiring? Would you like to help me with the wiring? Welcome back to the series. Today I'm going to talk about getting the wiring on the solar panels a little more straightened out. I threw it together, we got it up, we plugged it in, and it started working, and I haven't really come back to revisit the fact that I need to fix some of the wires that are hanging down. Naomi's been getting after me about it for, I don't know, just a few months. So I'm finally getting around to being able to have the chance to do it. So stay tuned, and I'm going to figure out how it goes. So the first thing I have to do, of course, is it's been so long. I have this box of random parts that are left over from ironridge from our install, and in it has these clips, and I have not even tried to use these clips, so I have no idea how they hook or whether or not I'm better off just using zip ties or these clips. So I'm going to go ahead and bust open this pack. I'll put the part number down below, that way you know what I'm working with. We're using these ironridge mounting system, which has a little groove right here. You can see a groove right there. There's actually a groove on the top as well that you can't see. And I have these clips, which are what came with it. And I'm trying to figure out how they go. And the first thing I thought is that maybe this goes in that groove at the top, which it does, but it doesn't look like it actually pushes down. So I'm gonna have to get in the manual and actually see how we're supposed to connect this thing on, because I have no idea. I tried putting it in this way somehow. I tried wrapping it around. I've tried a couple different things, so we're gonna have to just see how we get this thing by looking up the instructions like we should have to begin with. After checking, YouTube said it goes like this. Not YouTube, actually their website. You gotta oh, I heard it click. All right, cool. All right, I guess there's a little lip right there. You can kind of see it on the camera, you kind of not, but I guess that lip goes in the top ridge. I'll put a picture on the screen here. So after looking, you can see most of the wires for the solar part right here. I did like a figure 8 thing just to keep them from dangling. I think I'm gonna leave all the ones like that, and just where you see it dangling a little low right there, and when you see this long run that had to come up from the bottom, I'm gonna square those away, just the ones that are hanging a little bit low, and then I'm gonna come in here and get all of the ones on this front pole that run down toward the inlet for our shipping container right there. So each thing is going to have to be disconnected one at a time to get the wires straightened out and lengthened probably. So it may take a couple days, because I don't really it's never a good idea to just cut power when the sun's up to your solar array. It generally causes things to spark, and depending on the switches that you have, could even catch fire. So don't do that, please. last part I got to get done is I got to get this fuse zip tied in with a metal zip tie, and then I'm gonna zip tie this guy with metal zip ties, and then I have to run that cable back across and hang it up, and then I'll be finished. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what the final product looks like. It was hard to figure out what to do with that. That's the best I could do. But you can see I got all the other cables hung up. Right there was a problem. At each junction box, it seemed like it was kind of a problem. And then we have all the cables that come through here. So this is a mess to begin with. So that's about the best I could come up with. It looks terrible on the video, but it's actually better than it looks. And it's out of the way at least. So that's how this is gonna be for now. Let me know what you think. If you think I wasted my time, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.